In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your signature in DocuSign. DocuSign is a leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, and being able to set up your signature is crucial for streamlining your paperwork and digital transactions. So let's dive into the process together. First, you'll want to navigate to the DocuSign website, which you can easily find through your preferred web browser. Once you're on the home page, look for the login option at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you haven't already set up an account, you may need to register first. But assuming you have an account, go ahead and log in using your email and password. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the DocuSign homepage. This is your command center where you can manage your documents, signatures, and various transactions. Here, you'll want to focus on accessing your profile settings, so find and select the profile icon. It's usually represented by a small user silhouette, often located either at the top or the upper right side of the page. Clicking on this will give you access to more personal settings. Once you are in the profile section, look for an option labeled Manage Profile. This is where we'll make more specific adjustments and settings related to your DocuSign account, including setting up your new signature. Clicking on Manage Profile should lead you to another page where a variety of settings are displayed. Locate and click on Signatures. It's straightforward to find, and once selected, you'll see any existing digital signatures you have created. In this section, you'll also notice an option that says ADD Signature. Selecting this will open a new interface where you can create your signature. There are several methods to do this. You can draw one using your mouse, upload an image of your handwritten signature, or use a preset style offered by DocuSign. Take a moment to choose the method that best suits your needs, keeping in mind that your digital signature should be clearly legible and representative of your real signature, as it will be used on important documents. After you're satisfied with how it looks, don't forget to save your signature. And there you have it, your signature is now set up and ready to use in DocuSign. This enables you to seamlessly sign documents electronically, making your workflow more efficient and environmentally friendly by reducing paper usage. I hope this guide was easy to follow and that you feel confident setting up your own signature within DocuSign. Be sure to explore other features of DocuSign to fully leverage the tool for your personal or professional use. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.